How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing something different. Me and my cousin ended up joining a Harley Davidson Pig Trail ride. This is for anyone who does the MSF course at Pig Trail here at your local Arkansas. And they usually do a reunion group ride. So anyone who ended up taking the MSF course and actually passed, you could come back and do a group ride. They do like this event where, you know, you meet up with obviously all freaking two wheels, and then last but not least, at the end you can do some stuff where you gain some prizes and stuff. But needless to say, today's video is going to be just therapy. Today we're going to be on the bike for a very, very long time. We're probably going to post a whole video just so that way you can see some of the amazing view out here in Arkansas. And then, yeah, just enjoy. If everything went well, you should be able to hear me and my cousin. And if everything went wrong, then oh well, then you can't hear either of us. But, yeah, that's going to be today's video.
I'm trying not to get close to this guy. Oh!
What?
The road kind of dips a bit here.
Oh, now you're in front. Careful. Well, now you did it.
I didn't.
Whole formation changed now. You're two people ahead of me now.
Oh shit! I didn't even realize.
That's what I was telling you. You're in front now.
To hell with it then.
Oh well. Yeah, you messed it up all the way up.
I really did it now, didn't I?
Also, I'm gonna judge this this bike visor rider. One of his light bulbs are off. They're broken.
What's broken?
I'll tell you later. But one of the guys in front of me, his light bulbs don't work. How can you be a instructor and have a light out? I mean, true.
Oh god.
What?
Leaning with it just feels wrong, but again, it's because now my bike wants to do a little too much. bike's still fucking light.
I mean, true.
Unless I'm just leaning too soon. Hang on.
Go in there.
I mean, there's leak.
I know.
Narrow bridge ahead. My ass is on fire.
Is it? That's why you need to find a new seat.
Okay.
Little splash of water.
Road may flood. Oh yeah.
Maybe flooded.
I like it that way.
This guy.
Hang on, how to think about it? I had to think about it. Wait. Ah!
We like fire.
I love fire.
Bless you.
It sounded like you sneezed earlier.
No, it's my nose is so stuffed I can't breathe. It sucks. I feel like my sinuses are full.